In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable this is CNN news alert or soundtrack on your CNN app. So typically, if you normally receive that this is CNN sound effect whenever you open your app, you can simply go ahead and turn it off. To turn it off, it is quite simple. Just head over to settings here. Once you have opened your app, just head over to settings here. And under this, you'll see this option called enable this is CNN. Now, this is a sound effect that you normally hear when you open your app. To turn it off, just toggle it off like this, and it will be turned off. Once this is done, each and every time you open your app, you will never again hear this is CNN sound effect. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.